to interrupt this scheduled program with a little bit of news. So I've had a few people ask us what the new van looks like. And there's been a few comments in some of the videos recently saying that we've got our new van. So I thought, well, I'll do a very quick walk around for you so you can see what we're traveling in and how we're able to get to some of these amazing places that we're shooting. We had a pod trailer until May of this year, and in June we just decided it was too small for us. So when you're doing a lap of Australia, sometimes you need a few creature comforts. So we decided to go all out and get the best van we could find that would do the trick. And we decided on a Cub Campers Cub H16 model. It's quite a new model of van, and it has been absolutely magnificent. So this is what it looks like. It's behind the car, of course. We're at the most amazing campsite that you could ever want to be in, but this is all about the van today. So I'll give you a very quick walk around of what it looks like, what it does. It's a 16 footer, so it has a pop-top roof, as you can see here, which is perfect for the two of us. There's only two of us traveling, so it's absolutely perfect for us. Really quickly, 750 Extreme Off-Road Arc Series jockey wheel. I've got a DO35 on the front of the van. I've got a couple of gas bottles in here, a tank for the diesel heater. It's got areas for jerry cans. It's here on the front here. This jerry can I keep for wastewater, just in case we need any extra wastewater. And I've got a bag, a soft bag full of just extra water, just in case we need some extra water for things like cleaning the van or whatever. Not that we clean it too much. I think we've cleaned it once in the sort of 3 months we've had it now. As I said earlier, it's a pop-top toolbox here with loads of storage in there. The toolbox actually has, I'm risking showing you my mess in the toolbox, but chairs, table, a shelf up here as well for important things like fishing rods, and I've actually got a step ladder in there, which I might try and pull out later and show you, but really good toolbox, lots of space. Moving down the van a little bit, there's a fridge slide here. So the fridge slide, I've actually got a 55 litre Dometic fridge. It's also got a 110 litre Dometic fridge inside the van, and I've also got another 45 litre freezer in the car. So we've got lots of fridge and freezer space to tide us along. Let me just pop that one back up. The next compartment here is the kitchen, and the kitchen is amazing. I might need two hands to pull this out, so just bear with me for a second. All right, so the kitchen just pulls out, and you need to have windows down to open this fella here. And that then has a beautiful sliding tray, which then acts as a table. So in here, we've got a Dometic 3-burner stove, and in here we've got a plumbed sink, hot and cold water. So we've got a Webasto diesel heater inside, and that does heating for the cabin, but also does heating for the hot water as well. Amazing, never been an issue. Storage in a couple of drawers here, so we've got things like pots and pans and all the usual stuff for the kitchen. If I move back a little bit here, it's all off-road, it's all set up for off-road tracks. We knew we were going to be doing quite a bit of off-road type work, so lots of tracks and corrugations and sand, and we're on the beach right now, as you can see. It's an amazing campsite we've got here, so that's been amazing for that. I can let the tires up and down. It's also got Cruise Master air suspension, so when we get to a site, rather than trying to level the van up with rocks and bits of wood and wedges and things, I just hit a button and I can level the van up, which is really, really handy. I've never had that before, didn't know if it was going to be any good. Wouldn't live without it now. It's amazing, really, really good. I'll keep walking around the outside of the van. Door's got a fly screen and a main door. We've got a step to get in, and we've got an awning up here as well, which is a Fiamma 4.5, in other words, 4.5 meter awning. Now I'm going to be in the wind here, so I'll turn my back to the wind. I've installed, we've got a Bush Ranger I think they call it a wheelie bin. Yeah, it's a wheelie bin. But I've also got a couple of jerry can holders on the back here for two reasons. It gives us an extra 40 litres of fuel if we ever need it, and I have used them before. But also, that 40 litres on the back bumper bar gives me a little bit of leeway on the weight on the tow ball as well. So it just takes a little bit of weight off the tow ball. The van can handle it without any issues, so it works a treat. You've probably seen one of these before, a Starlink dish. I've got Starlink on the van, excuse me. And the Starlink I've just got plugging into a little through plate. The modem is on the inside there, so we just plugged it into a little wall plate, and it's plugged also into our inverter. So the inverter gives us 240 volts. We've got 600 amp hours of batteries in the van. We've got 720 watts of solar on the roof. We never ever have to think about power. It's amazing. It's a Red Arc system, and the Red Arc people are absolutely amazing. So impressed with them. I've been on the phone with them a couple of times asking about things, and they're very, very helpful, very very smart people. So can't speak highly enough of Red Arc. It's got an outside shower here. That's the cassette for the chemical toilet. It does come with an optional eco toilet as well. We just went with the chemical toilet because there's lots of dump points, and it's been around for a very, very long time. Stabilizer legs, obviously, all around the van as well. We've just actually pulled up the cab, so I haven't even set the van up properly yet. This is a solar panel input, so if the 720 watts on the roof isn't enough for you, you've got another solar panel input there as well. That's your shore power in and circuit breakers. I've then got another panel here with all the Red Arc equipment in there, and then a storage box in here as well, which is currently locked, but I'll get that out and show you that a bit later. The other side of the toolbox, and all the battery boxes sitting underneath the van, according to all the new laws for lithium batteries, etc. It's an absolute weapon. It has been a great van. I've got a stone stumper, which has also been amazing. We've never had any chips on the van at all. Van gets filthy, but no stone chips. We've got absolutely nothing on it at all. So the stone stumper was a great investment. You know, when you couple this with the 300 Land Cruiser, it's a great little package, perfect for the two of us, as I said before, and it's taken us places that you otherwise would find very difficult to get to. So there it is, the Cub Camper H16 inside bathroom. I'll probably give you a quick tour of the inside once we've tidied it up, and I'll show you what the inside looks like as well. Here we go.